If you were just watching part two, I'm gonna upload part three probably tomorrow. So today is Wednesday. I want to upload part three on Thursday. I'm trying to do consistent as possible. After this, I want to start. I need to start something new so I could just watch it, watch it, and watch it. I'm gonna do Mob Psycho. I've been wanting to watch. I don't really know what it's about. I just know he like.
民間が手をつけた悪魔を公安が殺すのは業務妨害。普通だったら逮捕されちゃうよ。ないといけないね。デンジ君も彼女を制御しないと。
俺も
血を使った戦いが得意なんだけど、すぐ興奮しちゃうし、デビルハンターには向いてなかったのかな。
こいつが殺せって言ったんじゃ。
はあ言ってねえ。よくそんな嘘が言えたもんだな。
嘘じゃないわい。言った。この人間が悪魔を殺せと言ったんじゃ。
本当じゃ。
こわ。はあマキマさん、この後なんとか罪で逮捕だてめえ。
いや、
こいつがやれって言ったんじゃ。悪魔は嘘をつけない。嘘をつくのは人間だけじゃ。
なせてねえよ。てめえが証拠だ。バカ嘘クソ野郎がよ。
人間は汚い嘘をつく。わしはやれって言われたんじ
ゃ。わしとかなんじゃとかキャラ作りやがってよ。
静かにできる？
Bro, she's mad. Like, her presence.
私は二人の活躍を見たいんだ。私に活躍見せられそう？
見せる。
It's like she got him in a hypnosis, bro. What's that on her eyes? Like, is that her ring? Is that like her spell, like, fully on her? I wanna know. Oh, is that the theme song? It's like what she say, go, like, I'm telling you. Go to Matsukami right there.
目を揉みたいと思っている場合じゃないかもしれない。なるどころの話じゃねえぞ。だからって嘘つき女と協力なんてできねえけどな。
人間がわしに何かしたからではない。
I think a human turned her into a fiend.
そして悪魔も嫌いじゃ。悪魔はわしの神に、わしはマキマに捕まってしまった。もう殺されてるかもしれんが、諦めきれん。
Another fiend turned
わ
her
しは
into
悪
a
魔から
fiend.
ニャーコを取り戻せるなら、人間の味方でも何でもしてやる。からニャーコを取れるかもしれんが、諦めきれん。わしは悪魔からニャーコを取り戻せるなら、人間の
俺は胸揉めるっつうことなら何でもできるけどよ。
やはり人間とは分かり合えぬの。
The director poetry dressed like me.
でも
Bro.
犬
It
だった
don't
ら
work.
まだわかるかもな。
It do sometimes.
たら、胸を揉ませてやると言ったらどうする？
It worked. He just like me. Nah.
悪魔がよ。猫をよ。さらうなんてよ。んなことは許せねえよな。デビルハンターとして許せねえ。そん悪魔、俺がぶっ殺してやるぜ。
That's tier 1 acting, bro. Stop playing with that man.
戻ってくるように。
一人じゃ外出もできねえのか？
おお、ずっとここの中で退屈しとった。やっとるんじゃ。問題はウヌしか戦えんことじゃ。されちゃうからね。そうなったら罪じ
He's
ゃ。
not listening.
俺もポチタっつう悪魔飼っててさ。
浅ましい慰めじゃ。
へえ、そうだな。
The Jujutsu Kaisen opening.
いるという噂も聞く。願わくば日本の敵は悪魔だけでありたいものだがな。
マキマ君、君にあげた部隊の犬は育っとるか？
面白いのが一匹。
面白い。
最近拾った子犬です。
ベルナよ。
She's like a heartless Gojo. And I like how they're all in the suits. That's so cool, bro. Like
デン
it's
ジ
a
は不快
mafia
なだけ
thing.
で面白くないですよ。 どうしてそんなに期待をするんですか？
生まれてくる。その名前が恐れられているものほど悪魔自身の力も増すという。コーヒーは怖いイメージは全くないから、コーヒーの悪魔がいたら弱いだろうね。チェンソーの悪魔になれる。面白いと思うけどな。
ダラダラと生きたいだけだと言っていました。公安にはふさわしくないです。それに悪魔と仲良くなれると思ってるガキ。
ニャーコと悪魔がいる。
はあ、じゃあさっさと行くか。チェーンソーにはなりたくねえな。
お、チェーンソー？
ああ、俺チェーンソーなれんの。
人間の冗談は笑えんな。
She don't know. He about to turn up.
あ、猫を人質にされんだろ。こんな近くまでついてきちゃダメでしょ。
おお、そういう設定じゃったが。
設定？
言い間違いじゃ。
The fuck?
バカじゃが勘は良かったな。
I liked you. What's going on? Oh shit. But this is dumb. Isn't your name marked and like stuff like that? So they're gonna know it's her. He's the one that literally took her out. It's like rehab, bro. He signed you out. They know it's you.
文句を言うな。わしもやっと外に出られたんじゃ。望み通り人間を連れてきたぞ、コウモリ。
This big ass bad.
貴様らにつけられた傷、この私を隠れざるを得なくさせた忌々しい傷だ。
知るかバーガ。
食事が吠えるな、人間に。まずい。
He's like a demon.
まずい一理復活してしまったではないか。口の中が気持ち悪い。他の人間で口直しをしなければ。
来たもんじゃな。やはり人間は愚かじゃ。
に決めたぞ。あったか。
He's gonna kill him.
ニャコ。
私にまずい血を持ってきた罰がまだだったな。
ニャコ。ニャコ。うぬの名はニャコじゃ。
Oh shit.
猫にしてはうまそうな匂いじゃな。だから食ってやるか。早く大きくなれ。ニャーコを殺すのが楽しみじゃな。
Hunter, Hunter, guys!
してたからな。
血の悪魔よ。血が足りない。猫を殺されたくなければ人間を連れてこい。
She was lacking, bro. That sucks.
言っとったな。うぬの気持ちが分かったぞ。ひ
Good.
どい気分じゃな。
You try to get him killed. Oh, they killing her off?
まずい血ばかりだ。
He's only nah, he's not that. Too early.
口の中が気持ち悪いぞ。
Why'd you eat a
子
demon?
供の血でうがいをしなければ。
飲むね。返せ。
私の血を飲んでる。気持ち悪い。貴様の血など飲む気も起こらんわ。
ポチタがいなくなった時があった。朝起きたらポチタはいなくて、 ま、どんな気持ちで眠ってたんだろう。
That is so. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh yeah. Why you think he tasted so bad? Come on. Yeah, the cut. Oh. Dang, bro, they're playing games. He's putting his life at stake because Denji is cold. Oh my gosh. I know the manga is crazy. He said, rev it up, bro. Trip. Oh my god, his hand. Oh my god. Beautiful, bro. Alright, so that was a good episode. I like a lot of this episode, man. I like how Denji. I want to talk a lot about Denji. At the end of the episode, he was like, "I don't care about that human," and he's obviously lying because he just act like he horny. Wait, no, he's mad horny. He's like horny as hell, like ridiculously horny. But he's just like, I don't care about that guy through the car. I like that because like he still gave the guy enough time to get out the car, even though he ain't like him for real. And I think that was like cool as fuck because it's just like that shows a lot of character, man. And it's just like, oh, I don't care about him. I don't care about him. He cares about him. So I think that was dope as fuck. I also think. What else I want to say? Oh yeah, he's like, oh, I don't care about. He said he doesn't care or nothing like that. But remember, right before he was telling that girl in the building, run away, get out of here, like get out, like right now, go. So it's just like that shows a lot of his character. He just portrays he's only doing this for a girl, but he actually wants to like make friends and shit like that too. Feel me? He wants to make friends with, even if you're inherently bad because you're a demon or a devil. He still wants to make friends with it because that devil, what's his name inside him, Pochita, is supposed to be technically bad. It's a devil, but I was the first person to befriend him, so he knows not everybody's like that for real. So he's open to other things, even though other people can't see that at the moment. I'm pretty sure soon enough they'll open up to that. So that's cool. I like his character. Great character. What's I keep forgetting her name. The hybrid. What is it called? I'm forgetting these terms. Give me like 5 episodes. But the girl with the cat. We got more backstory on her too. Interesting. It was interesting. She didn't really bother people, at least from what we know. But she did say she does eat a lot of humans. I'm assuming. I mean, no, she ain't say that. I'm making shit up. She was just chilling with her cat, bro, and then he was just being a hater, get me human right now. Like she was literally about to go to bed, bro. She ain't really do nothing for real. And then I guess she got caught looking for a human. Is why she's now working with Miss Scary Kodomatsukami. That's why she's working with her now. So I'm interested to see how next episode goes. Is she really dead? Is she still alive? Was she like in the stomach on like some Android 18 ish? I want to say she's still alive. I gave her a little backstory. I feel like you could dive in so deep with that. I do think she was turned into, like I said, another demon. I think she was turned into a hybrid by another demon or another hybrid. So that's my little theory right there. And I hope y'all enjoyed that video, man. If you liking it, like, comment, subscribe, share it to your friends. Get in tune, bro.